Okay, people, so if you wanted to get started to adding, for example, using the actual Gemini with your Google Meet, the actual process is not that hard. The first thing I want to be doing here is to go and have access directly into my Google Meet, which is meet.google.com. Directly inside here, basically the most easiest way is to go for new meeting. Go for create an actual instant meeting, and we are now inside the actual meeting of the Google Meet. So now that I'm inside here, what I'm going to do here is to mute myself, so we no longer see ourselves if we don't have some feedback inside here. Now, a heads up here before we continue is that this requires an eligible plan. Either if I qualify Google Workspace Editions or Google AI Pro or Ultra, it is in the actual meeting organizer plan. This looks it for everyone into the actual clone. So when you join the actual meeting and you open the note taking feature that actually appears directly inside here, usually here it will be asking us, it will be showing us the tool of the AI availability. Now, if you have access for the Google One Plus, you will be having access for recording, to transcribe, to have a live streaming, to use breakout rooms, to go for posts, or go for QA and answers. So even you have, for example, the marketplace where you can browse more stuff that you can be having eligible inside here. We can, for example, open the take notes with Gemini, where it's going to be showing us a binary and penalty icon appear for every participant, so everyone into the meeting knows notes are being taken. So this transparency is built and can't be hidden. So just talk and run your meetings normally. Gemini captures key points, decisions, action items in the background as you go, and you can catch up. For example, if you're late, if you join a few minutes in, you can click into summarize so far to get caught up instantly without asking anyone to repeat the actual themselves. You can even get notes after the actual call. So once the meeting ends, you can go for Gemini generates an actual Google Docs with organized documents, decision, and next steps. And it saves to the organizer driver attached to the calendar events and emailed out shortly after, right? But once again, those elements are only available for the Google One Plus element that is only available for paid plans. So basically, guys, this is a really easily solution of how you can actually get started with the Google One Plus using the actual Gemini. Once again, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you all next time.